Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play. It's a quiet morning in my favorite rose bed. These are some of the smaller roses. They get enormous at the other end. It's a big triangle that is a huge time consumer, trimming everything. It's a very nerve-wracking time. Aphids could come at any moment. Black spot could come at any moment. Rust could come at any moment. But at this moment, we're talking June 5th, it's just a really healthy looking rose bed. One of my favorite things is the bucket of petals that you get. Now, I didn't stuff underneath. This is all rose debris. But isn't it pretty? Artfully arranged, of course, but I mean, these things are huge. Taller than me. I've just about run out of bamboo. If anything falls over next week, I'm hooped. Anyway, that's the extent of it. Tons and tons of buds coming. Well, our braided willow has settled in nicely. This is an unusual feature plant. Hand-woven live willow. The top will become a ball. It's already been trimmed once. It'll probably be trimmed 2 or 3 more times this summer. They're supposedly hardy to minus 20 Celsius, so we expect them back next year. We'll see. And down below is a combination of stocking stuffers, and at the bottom, cosmos, which are coming in nicely. And just around the corner from here, we have 3 honeysuckle. We have a pink one, and then an orange one, and then another pink one on the corner here, that are doing very well in low light. But this video is a rose video, so I'm going to introduce you to my second favorite rose bed in the world. Here's another knockout. Surrounded by boxwood. We've been having issues with boxwood. There's a fungus that has been affecting them. You can see a burn mark over here. And someone's on their way here. They're going to replace all of these boxwoods with fungus-resistant ones. These are very old, but they're not fungus-resistant. But back to the rose bed. When we trim these boxwoods, we've been spraying them with a fungicide, and so far they have not gotten any kind of blight, knock on wood. In the foreground of this rose garden is the Dolly Parton. Here's the first bud of the Dolly Parton, which is my favorite rose. Smells so good, looks so good, classic. And another knockout in the background, and some really tall roses that go up to the living room window. Here's a remarkable arbor rose at the last customer of the week. I've taken care of this rose for 2 years, and this is June 8th, and we're at the peak of its first flush. And if I keep deadheading the vines as they brown, it will continue producing roses until late October. And they smell so good. It's just, you can smell it all the way down the block. It's amazing. It's called Perfume Breeze by the Simply Irresistible Collection or something like that. Anyway, it is an amazing rose that is almost too big, but who can tame it? Not me. Until next time.